Let me ask you something. Are you using your phone or is your phone using you? We're living in the most advanced era in human history. You've got supercomputers in your pocket, apps that can literally run your business, tools that can shave hours off your day. But here's the truth. Most people are drowning in distractions. We scroll, swipe, binge, and then wonder where the day went. That's the productivity trap. We've got power, but no direction. Tools, but no discipline. Potential, but no plan. But today, we're changing all that. Because you're about to learn how to take control of your tech and turn it into a productivity machine. If you've got dreams, this is how you make them real. If you've got goals, this is how you crush them. If you've got 24 hours in a day, this is how you make every single one count. This isn't just motivation. This is your blueprint. Let's go. We live in a world that's designed to distract us. Social media, designed to hook your attention. Notifications, constant interruptions, emails never-ending. And the worst part? We've normalized it. We think it's okay to check our phones every 5 minutes. We think multitasking is a skill, when in reality it's destroying our focus. Let's get real. Busy does not equal productive. Scrolling through TikTok for 2 hours is not self-care. Answering emails at midnight is not a badge of honor. We're addicted to the feeling of being busy, but we're losing the battle of getting things done. Productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters, and technology, if used the right way, can help us do exactly that. Now, here's the mindset shift. Technology is not the enemy, it's the sword. But you are the warrior. When you take control and when you become intentional, your phone, your laptop, your apps, they become your power tools. Think about it. Calendar apps that organize your day like a CEO. Automation tools that do the repetitive. Work for you AI assistants that streamline your life. Focus apps that lock out distractions. That's not just productivity, that's smart living. You're not working harder. You're working faster. Cleaner, better, you're turning time into a weapon, and you're using it to build the life you want. All right, time to get tactical. Here are some game-changing tools you need to know about. Notion, your digital. Second Brain, plan your life, organize your projects, track your goals. Google Calendar, schedule like a savage. Block out time, set reminders, own your day. Trello or Asana, project management on beast mode, track progress, assign tasks. Get results Todoist, master your to-do list, prioritize, execute, dominate. Forest or Focus Mate, destroy distractions, stay in flow. Get in the zone. Zapier, automate everything. Connect apps, save hours, total efficiency. ChatGPT, your AI brainstorming partner. Content ideas, research help, writing assistance, done. Rescue Time, analyze your day, eliminate. Time wasters, sharpen your focus, use them, master them, and watch your productivity skyrocket. Now hear me out. It's not just about the tools, it's about how you think, because a tool is just a tool, unless you have the mindset to use it right. You can download every app in the world, but if your mindset is scattered, if your discipline is weak, if your habits are trash, nothing changes. So here's the formula. Mindset plus systems plus consistency. Mastery, when you combine a laser-focused mindset with powerful tech and show up consistently, you become unstoppable. That's how winners are built. That's how legends are made. That's how you rise up. Let's talk about how to structure your day using technology. Morning, wake up and check your digital dashboard, Notion or Todoist. Use a habit tracker to knock out your morning routine. Play motivational audio while you move. Get your mind right. Work. Blocks. Use the Pomodoro technique. 25-min work, 5-min break. With apps like Focus Keeper, keep distractions off with Freedom or Forest. Use voice-to-text tools for speed, like Google Docs or Otter. Evening, journal with Day One or Notion, review. Your day with Rescue Time or Toggle, plan your next day before bed. Win tomorrow tonight. Make this routine yours. Use tech as your structure, be ruthless with your time. Let's get real. Tech can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Here's what to avoid: downloading too many productivity apps and using none. Getting stuck in the optimization trap, planning but never doing, constantly switching tools and losing momentum. Letting notifications control your attention span, using tech to procrastinate instead of execute. Remember, simple wins, consistency wins, focus wins. You don't need 1,000 tools. You need the right habits, the right apps, and the right mindset. Let me hit you with the truth. People just like you are using tech to change their lives. Entrepreneurs running businesses from their phones, students organizing their entire lives with Notion, moms managing families and side hustles. Like pros, they're not smarter, they're not luckier, they're just using what's already available, with focus, consistency, and drive. And you can too. Because the only thing standing between you and the life you want is how you use your time. And with the right tech, that time becomes your superpower. All right, no fluff, let's get into it. Step 1, pick 3 tools from this video, just 3. Step 2, build a simple daily routine using those tools. Step 3, turn off all unnecessary notifications. Step 4, review your day every day. Step 5, stay consistent for 30 days. No excuses. This is how you take control. This is how you rise above average. This is how you win. You don't need more time. You need more intention. And starting today, now you've got it. You've got everything you need. The tools, the plan, the fire. Now it's time to execute. Because while everyone else is wasting time, you are building something bigger. While they scroll, you move. While they sleep, you... Rise Tech is not the distraction. Tech is your weapon. Now go use it, and go be great.